Hey guys, AtticTube here, and today I have yet another video about the Sharkoon SharkZone MK80. This is a mechanical RGB gaming keyboard with kaihl brown switches and tons of features. But let's not waste any more time and open up the box. Included with this keyboard are the installation disc, a door hanger, and lastly a palm rest that you can easily click on. Here is a sound test with the kaihl brown switches. These switches have a nice sound and are ideal for gaming and typing. This keyboard has 8 different light modes and 16.8 million different colors. You have the option of personalizing 5 profiles with different colors and macros. All these profiles include 8 different color modes: permanent, pulsating, trigger, explosion, random, audio, which doesn't react so well, wave, and customize, where you can give every key a different color. The included program allows you to personalize everything from your favorite lights to your own macro keys. It's not the best program, but it works fine after a few minutes of experiencing how it works. That's it for this video. If you liked it, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and also stay tuned for the world's first unboxing of the new LG curved monitor.